Hello guys, welcome back to Chinese. I am 𝐿𝐿𝐼. At the beginning of this year, my grandpa passed away. It was a shock and I was sad. I shared my feelings on my 𝐾𝐫𝐸 page and many of my students sent me message saying 對唔住, I'm sorry. Why they concerned want my heart? These phrases isn't really appropriate when comforting someone who is grieving. Lately, Wang Jiwa's new film, The Last Dance, caught my interest, especially since it touches on funeral rituals. Honestly, I have never attended a funeral before my grandpa's passing, so I have no idea what I should or shouldn't do. These experiences made me curious about the customs surrounding funerals. So today we are learning some expressions in Cantonese that you can use to comfort a friend when they have lost a loved one. The first phrases is common but somewhat cliched. 節哀順變, 節哀順變. 節 means restrain or control, like 節制, 節制. 哀 means grave, like 哀傷, sadness. 順 means to accept or obey, 順從. 變 means change. 節哀順變 taken together, it literally translates to restrain your grief and accept this change. It's similar to say sorry for your loss or my condolence.
So, 節哀順變.
節哀順變.
The second phrase is similar to rest in peace in Cantonese. We say 希望佢一路走好, 希望佢一路走好. 希望 means wish. 一路 along the way. 走好 go well. These phrases literally translate to I hope they have a smooth January ahead. However, some professionals in the funeral industry have pointed out that this kind of phrases can come across as empty words to those who are grieving. A more meaningful approach might be to offer practical help, like saying 如果有啲咩需要，即管開聲啦。如果有咩需要，即管開聲啦。如果 if 咩需要 any need 即管 just 開聲 say speak out 如果有啲咩需要即管開聲啦 If you need anything please don't hesitate to let me know. Or we could also say 隨時開聲 let me know at any time. I was truly shocked by how just hours after my grandpa's pass, everyone in the family came together to arrange his final farewell. Within one night, they have hired a funeral guy, bought a coffin, and booked a cremation service and prepared some offerings and some 𝐾𝐿𝐼, like sugar or the paper money. They knew exactly what to do and everything went smoothly. This made me wonder who will see me off when my time comes. Honestly, I don't think I really need a big ceremony. However, I realized that organizing a funeral is not just for the deceased. It's also a way to keep the grieving family busy, giving them something to focus on so they don't dwell too much on their sadness. Then we can comfort our friends by saying 呢段時間你都攰啦，你都要注意身體啊。呢段時間你都攰啦，你要注意身體啊。呢段時間 this period 攰 tired 注意 pay attention to 身體 body 注意身體 take care of yourself 呢段時間你都攰啦，你都要注意身體啊。These periods might have been exhausting for you. Please take care of yourself. Often the bereaved will respond with 有心啦 Thanks for your thinking of me. Thanks for having me in your heart like this. Thanks for your saying this. However, it's important to remember that no words can truly heal a grieving heart. Sometimes simply being there in silence is more comforting than saying the wrong things. Here are some phrases to avoid. 時間可以沖淡一切，時間可以沖淡一切。時間 time 沖淡 沖淡 like fade, heal 一切 everything. 時間可以沖淡一切。Time can heal all wounds. Just after my grandpa's cremation, I feel a deep sadness. My uncle mentions that he will cancel my grandpa's household registration the next day, and it hit me that he had just vanished from the world. That's why saying time will heal everything can feel dismissive. Every life should be remembered, not forgotten. The second one, 我都有過呢啲經歷，好快就冇事㗎。我都有過呢啲經歷，好快就冇事㗎。有過 has experiences 好快 quickly 冇事 be fine 我都有過呢啲經歷好快就冇事㗎啦 I have been through this before you will get over it soon These phrases implies that their grief is something travel and easily overcome In some families sometimes the last few years of disease are not easy Maybe it brings lots of inconvenience for the family. However, we can't say this. 其實佢嘅離開都唔係壞事，你唔使再咁辛苦咁照顧佢，對你嚟講都係一種解脫。其實 in fact，佢嘅離開 his passing， 壞事 bad thing， 唔使 don't need to， 辛苦 hard， 照顧。Take care of 對你嚟講 for you 一種解脫 a relief 其實佢嘅離開都唔係壞事你唔使再咁辛苦咁照顧佢對你嚟講都係一種解脫 In fact, his passing is not a bad thing You don't have to take care of him so hard anymore It's also a relief for you In Chinese culture, even if caring for a sick family member is difficult. Losing them is still heartbreaking. It's not something that should be viewed as a relief. So that's why we can't accept 𝐿𝑥𝐸 easily. Being a part of my grandpa's funeral made me realize how short and fragile life is. We should spend more time with our parents and someone we love and avoid harsh words that we might regret later. It's quite interesting that my third uncle, who has a big fight with my grandpa years ago and had not spoken to him since. But at the last moment of my grandpa, he didn't have time to see his loved son and grandson but only my third uncle. Life is unpredictable, so let's cherish our loved one when we can. 我係你老師 𝐿𝐿𝐼，see you soon. Bye bye.